Let's go. All right, everybody, welcome to Orem, Utah. I actually forgot that the Christmas market was going on this year, and usually the last couple of years, then they were able to have Christmas lights here in downtown Orem. But this year they decided to have Christmas markets on Saturday nights, which is really nice. And I honestly forgot that this was going to be happening until my cousin sent me a text asking if I wanted to meet him over there. I I happily obliged because I love Christmas stuff. I love stuff like this. It reminds me of Christmas markets in Germany. Anyways, I didn't really want to say much about there. I just want to be able to have everybody enjoy the ambiance of it all. So I'm going to stop recording now. I'll stop recording my voice and let everybody enjoy the video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the social media links down below. See ya.
Everybody watching has to subscribe. Subscribing is cool. Thanks.